This is Sandbaggy, and this is a comparison video between Sandbaggy's 5-inch long drip tubing stake versus the standard 6-inch 11-gauge staples. So when you're putting down 1/4-inch drip tubing or 1/8 inch drip tubing, it's great to use these 5-inch stakes because they fit perfectly into the ground and the tubing doesn't move. Now, let's compare that over with if we just installed the standard 6-inch. It works, it'll keep it down, but it does move. So, the benefit is that it won't move. Now, what else is there regarding these stakes? These are galvanized, so you can reuse them. You don't need to worry about rust. And lastly, these stakes are less expensive than the standard 6-inch staples, so it's definitely an option to consider.